You're about to see how a company called Zipline is saving lives every day, delivering life-saving supplies via a drone. First, an order comes to this person's computer from a doctor at a hospital who urgently needs a packet of blood to save a patient. Once the servicemen pack the order up, they pass it out to the crew who place the package in the belly of the drone, which is then placed on this catapult launcher. Then the crew carefully attaches wings with a fully charged battery. After completing pre-flight checks, they push a single button. In 3 seconds, the catapult launches the drone from 0 to 65 miles an hour in a third of a second. When it reaches its destination, it opens the trapdoor and drops the package down, which lands safely using a small parachute. The doctor goes out and takes the package needed to treat his patient and save a life.